If you are concerned about the risk of falls and injuries in the showers, one solution is preventing the need to stand on wet and slippery floors. To set up your bath chair, first, lay out all of the pieces and inspect all of the included parts. Slide all 4 legs into their corresponding numbered positions. Next, secure the legs with the armrest brackets. Ensure the open ends are facing the seat. Now you can flip over the chair and slide in the L-shaped brackets until they click into place. Slide each arm into the corresponding bracket until they click into place. Ensure the foam grip is facing the front of the chair. Now we can install the backrest. Slide the backrest into the L-shaped brackets until they click into place. Finally, once your bath chair is fully assembled, you can adjust the height using the pins on the legs. Learn more about the MOBB Bath Chair with back and arms by visiting halohealthcare.com or tapping the link in the description. Finally, if you found this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like. Thanks for watching.